Hi guys, it's Mario here from PC Organize. Here's today with another video. Today we're just going to jump on a WordPress control panel, and we're going to show you how to install WhatsApp on a WordPress website. It is quite easy if you know how to do it, but we've had lots of emails and stuff that people want to know how to do it, so we thought we'd make a quick video today to show how exactly we do it anyway. So we suppose that you have a WordPress website and you've gone to your control panel, and most of the WordPress control panels, they look like this. So all we're going to do is we're going to go and install a plugin. So we go to plugins and then we click new. And then on the search button, on the search bar, just type WhatsApp. Yeah, so we use this plugin called Click to Chat to do the WhatsApp. Just install this. Then activate. So once it's activated, we go to, on the left hand side, click chat. Now there's not a lot of things you need to do here. So we're in UK, so we're going to put the prefix 0044, and then you add the number. You will put the number in here. So let me just quickly put the number and then come back to you guys. So once you add the number, so you just scroll down a little bit, and you don't have to make lots of changes, but you also can. So let's say that we put in what's when they click on the message, what first message comes. So we'll just put a hello. And then that down. How can we help? Yeah, and then scroll further down, and here you want to put where do you want to put it? On the bottom, on the top, and and then on the right or on the left. So just leave it on the bottom, on the right, so that's fine. And then just save changes. So once you save changes, so this goes straight live on the website. We have clicked that if people are using desktop, it will go on the WhatsApp desktop and they can log in that way and then speak to you. Or if they go on a on a mobile, then the WhatsApp app will open, and it will then they can contact you that way. So just to go on to the site, and then it will look just like this. So it's right there. So you see, like, because we've got this button here, so probably we have to move it on the left hand side. So let me just go back there and make it, where was it? It's on the right, so I'm going to put it on the left, and then I'm going to save it on the side and just refresh it, and as you can see, it comes up on this side. And if I click on it, it will go straight to the WhatsApp web, which you'll continue continue to chat with the person that you meant to. So yeah, so that's how you put WhatsApp on your WordPress website. I hope this was easy enough for you guys, and I hope it helped you in any way, shape, or form. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps with the numbers and YouTube algorithm. So please do so if you like it. If you have any comments or any question, just make comments below, and we will reply to you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.